Hello wonderful people, and welcome to today's class. Let's learn how to open a trading account with one of our best broker. Click the link provided with this video, and that is the broker we're going to use. After serious study, I discovered this broker is one of the best currently. I will be sharing more reasons why I said so. So you can go down to see some of the things they offer, and when you're done, come up to this place to the top. You see start trading now. Now to present you with this page, I have provided a dummy email and a dummy password. So let's take our email. I'm going to paste it here. Then name, I'm going to choose view. Then here FX Academy. Here you can put your own name that appears in your documents, such as your voter's card, your name, or your passport. Those are the names you're going to provide. I'm just putting this name to show you example. So here you can put a dummy phone number as well. Then for the password, I have a dummy password. So I'm going to go over and paste my password. After carefully studying my password, I discovered that symbols are not required. All we need here is three things: uppercase, lowercase, and number. So I'm going to get rid of these symbols here. These first two. So the password is in order now. Now if you are provided with partner code, you can input the partner code here, but if you don't have, don't worry. Then you tick on this agreement and you say submit, and it says you have been successfully registered. So I'm sure this page is going to load. Okay, gender, you have to select your gender here. For date of birth, you touch that place, then you touch the month stroke year, you touch it like this, and also touch the year. And once you do that, it's going to present you with different years. So you can scroll back, you can go back like this, or you can go forward. If you are born in the year 2000, choose that. You choose your month, and you choose the day. I'm going to choose 2000 January 01. Okay, now you choose your country here. Then address, you type your street here. If you live in whatever street you live in, put it here. The town you live in, if you stay in Lagos, put it here. Then postal code. For you to get this postal code, you have to head over to a website known as postal. Let's just do a Google search and find the postal code. For us to find the postal code, you head over to Google and type postal code for Nigeria, and you hit enter. So when it opens, you're gonna go to Nigeria postal code and zip code. The website is nigeriapostalcode.com. You open this second one here, and you go down. You're going to select your state. For example, if I want to select Lagos State, I will look for Lagos State here. I click on it. Then I'm going to choose my local government, Aja. I click Aja, and my post code or postal code will be displayed for me based on my street. So here, look for a street that is closer to your place. It's not a must you will see your street here or your area, but look for a place very close to your area. For example, if I want to use Jakonde Estate, I'm going to copy this code, then come here and paste the code. Are you politically exposed person? Leave it at no. Are you a citizen of US? If you're in US, you say yes. If you're not, you say no. Then here, I agree to be contacted via. You can say yes or no, doesn't matter. Then from here, you say next. So the next page opens, and what it's asking here is this. It said insert the code received to your email. So before that, this is the email address we are using. Remember, I'm using a dummy email. So I'm going to click on get code. It says the email with the verification code has been sent. So I'm going to go to my email and look for that code. So here is my email box, and here is the email, the one that says verification code. I'm going to open it, and here is my code. That is this one here. I copy it, and I paste it here, and I say submit. So here is the next step. You fill this based on what you feel. Choose whatever you want to choose here and go to next. The answers were saved successfully. So we are moving to the next step now. Here you need to upload your documents. So if you have your passport or your voter's card, you need to snap the front and the back of your voter's card. So what you do is type of document you select: national ID card or driver's license or passport. So I go with national identity card. Then it's asking me to browse. So I can use the camera. You have to do this during the day. Make sure you capture the whole card and you take So I have a message here which says we have received your document. We are looking at checking or going through the document, and if everything is okay, your account will be approved. I think this takes place between one business day or thereabouts. So now that we have created an account, it's time to create our new demo account. So I go to new demo below and I touch it, and it says open new trading account. So our account is in USD and is a demo kind of account we want to open. So here I have $100,000. I don't want that. That is too much, and $10,000 is too much. So I'm going to impute another amount by choosing the last option here. So when I do that, I'll be able to place $200 or $100. That is the best thing. You practice with a small amount. Then for my password, I'm going to use the same password, LKJ GLK 2023. I'm going to say submit request. And that is it. This is my trading account number, this one here, and this is my password that I'm going to use to log in, and this is the server. You can screenshot this information so that you always have it. So what I'm going to do now is either I head over to MT5 I downloaded from Play Store, or I can download the company's MT5 and log into that. But that is this one. But this company's MT5 is complicated, so let's go and log in to the normal MT5 downloaded from Play Store. Click on manage account. You click on this plus at the top, then you're going to find the broker here. Find broker. You're going to say scope markets. So I copy the account ID. So I'm going to choose scope market, the second one, and here server is a scope market demo. Then ID, I'm going to paste this. Then my password is my password. I'm going to copy that too and paste here. So let me log in now. And that is the scope market with our $200 we chose. So from here I move down and click on charts below. Then to my top left I click on this, and these are the instruments here. This is not the ones I want to trade. So the first thing I do is I go to my bottom left and click on quotes. So here I'm going to click on the pencil icon, then click on delete. Then I'm going to delete all these instruments here. I don't want to trade these ones. And after selecting all, I click on delete at the top. So I'm going to click on plus, go to Forex, or I can just type gold. These are the instruments we're going to be working with. Great Britain USD. I touch it up, it enters into my list. I search for AUD USD. I touch, it enters into my list. Then I search for Euro USD, touch. Then I look for Great Britain JPY. So I'm done with that. I click on back, and at this junction now, these are the pairs I want to be trading. So when I go to chart, I click at the top here. I can open gold. We have our account and our chart ready. So this is where I'll be stopping this video. I'll see you on the next one.